I would just like to ask the question regarding the topic of giving, which you emphasize so much that there are pastors who are emphasizing the giving of 10%. And they would even emphasize that it is a sin. And if you give less than 10%.
And you are going to hell if you fail to give the 10%.
I'm just wondering, brother, that since they are preaching that it's a sin when you give less the 10%, I did never hear them saying that it is a sin to give more than 10%.
They enjoy receiving more than the 10%. For a fact, they say one of my co-panelists in the program of Don Manolo Pabis in DCWB way back in the 1980s said, if you are going to give less than 10%, then you are sinning a great sin against God. But I asked him, how if I give more than 10%? So much better, sabi niya. It's much better. Because God is well pleased, sabi niya. And then I answered, the God that is being pleased if you are giving more than 10% is the stomach of the pastors. Because it is their God, their stomach, their bellies. According to Philippians chapter 3 verse 19, it reads, please, 3:19 of Philippians. Basa.
3:19.
Ilocano nga, Ilocano. Sige nga.
Ati panungpalan da isu iti panakapukaw. Ati Diyos da isu titiang da. Ket ti dayag da adda iti bainda. Isu da panunutin dalaeng tinaindagaan.
Ayon. Ang iniisip nila earthly things. Ingkare lang ang kanilang Diyos, ang kanilang tiyan. Tiyan din ba sa Ilocano?
Tiyan din ba?
Oh.
Tiyan po.
O ikaw, sa English kapatid na Zoren.
Whose end is destruction, whose God is their belly, and whose glory is in their shame, who mind earthly things.
Ayon. Their God is their bellies. Kaya natutuwa naman pagka marami silang binibigay, higit sa ikapo. But if we are going to take the interpretation strictly from biblical point of view, it is said in chapter 12, verse 32 of the book of Deuteronomy, pakibasa kapatid na,
What thing soever I command you, observe to do it. Thou shalt not add thereto, nor diminish from it.
Ayan. Thou shalt not add thereto or diminish from it. Whatsoever I have commanded you, do it. Do not add anything to it, nor diminish. Ibig sabihin po nun, kung talagang ang utos ay 10%, then you have to give exactly 10%. But the question is, the 10% law is not anymore applicable during the Christian era, because Jesus Christ, through the gospel, is teaching us how to finance the work of God on earth. In 2 Corinthians chapter 9, verse 7, it says, basa,
Magbigay ang bawat isa ayon sa ipinasya ng kanyang puso. Huwag mabigat sa loob o dahil sa kailangan, sapagkat iniibig ng Diyos ang nagbibigay na masaya.
Ayun. Maliwanag po yun eh. Sinabi ng Diyos, doon sa mga first century Christians, sabi niya po ron, every man according as he purposeth in his heart, so let him give, not grudgingly or of necessity, for God loveth a cheerful giver. Give according as his heart purposeth, according to the dictates of his heart. Therefore, it is not 10%. It may be 10, it may be more, it may be less. And you sin not, because it is according as your heart purposeth, according to the dictates of your heart. That is the law of the New Testament. Yun po ang sinasabi.